România sunt peste 4 milioane de români care au trecut de 75 de ani. Rămași singuri acasă.
Părinți, bunici singuri în casele lor.
With over 40% of elderly people in Romania living alone, Vodafone wanted to prove that mobile internet can empower anybody to change his life for the better. So we created an experiment meant to show how using technology can fight loneliness, presenting Sunday Grannies.
Am rămas văduvă și atunci ne-am mutat împreună.
În 2012 a plecat și bărbatul meu.
Și de atunci
suntem singure.
Asta este viața. Trebuie să mergem mai departe. Și o să fie bine, ți-am spus.
Though they're alone, they never stopped cooking for a whole family. So we connected the two lonely grannies with students that miss home-cooked meals. We showed grannies the basics of social networks, and we asked them to post their menu and invite students to their Sunday lunch. We made a documentary and put it on TV.
Și acum, hai, pe Facebook și iute la masă că se răcește.
And soon, the grannies' lives started to change. Their Facebook page became the second campaign page in the country. Their story became part of the daily news.
Apelăm la bunicuțele de duminică.
Să cuceriți internetul.
Păi, devină domnule la masă, în număr cât mai mare.
The empty apartment became the hottest eating place in the capital and visited by celebrities. Simona Halep, number 2 WTA, paid them a visit and even promoted their initiative on her official Facebook page.
Hai pe net la bunici să mâncăm împreună.
And MasterChef judge Adrian Hadean got a test from the grannies.
Am scăpat, haideți să vă.
They got so popular they even started producing their own cooking show.
Bine ați venit în bucătăria noastră.
And their famous lemon pie reached the supermarkets. Soon they became an inspiration for the millions of Romanians living alone. So we opened up the platform, creating a Facebook app where any granny can organize her own pop-up lunch. People from all across the country joined in.
Să facem mâncare pe internet
pentru Facebook.
Faceți drum și pe la noi, pe la piatră.
And their empty houses became happy again. The campaign reached over 380 million total media impressions, while social media adoption rate among seniors tripled, driving a 20% increase of Facebook accounts owned by Romanians over 65. All while 4G smartphone sales got a 78.8% boost.